Hey everyone, I wanted to just explain my absence of not releasing videos for a while. So this little one has been distracting me for about 6 months now. So I'm going to start releasing some more videos, and I have a really long backlog. So hopefully it'll get us some nice fall and summer fishing videos during the winter, which will be awesome. So hope you enjoy the episode. Hey everyone. Thanks for joining me for another episode of TNT Epic Adventures. So, I'm out here today with a buddy of mine, just crossing the river right now, Skiddy fishing. If you guys don't follow him, go follow him. He gives some awesome fly fishing, Tenkara fishing videos. So we have two goals today. We are trying to catch Colorado River Cutthroat in both Wyoming and Utah today. So hopefully we can get that done. I'm going to use my Western fly rod mostly today. I do have my Hydra in my backpack in case I want to switch to that. Skiddy's mostly doing his a new rod that he has.
Kyle from TNT Epic Adventures? What are you doing here?
How did we meet on this river at this time? Ooh. Enjoy the episode, everybody. Oh, I think it's a cutty too. Get him, you gotta get him. Yeah! Woo! Yes!
3-hour drive was worth it.
Oh my, it's huge too! Look at that guy.
Oh, yes. Oh, I freaking love you right now.
Skunk is off, man.
No pressure. I felt like there was a bump to the left right before I got it to ride.
Oh, really? You think there's another one in there?
There's another one. I would go.
Okay. Dude, I gotta see this guy before I do anything else. He looks beautiful.
Oh, man.
Oh, he is awesome.
Oh, jeez.
How's the adrenaline?
It's going. No longer tired from that drive.
Oh, that is so cool.
Dude.
Who needs caffeine?
Who needs caffeine? The tug is the drug, everyone. Look at that. I mean, that's a bubbleless fly.
Holy cow.
I was like ready to just jump downstream for him.
I thought you were going to. I thought you were going to take off running.
If you watch my videos, you'll know I'm like the worst net guy ever, too.
Oh, that is awesome.
All right. Well, let's get the safe pick first, and then maybe you'll help me with a pick real fast if you don't mind.
Of course. Cast. Nothing. Got one. Yep.
Yeah, dude. Is it cutty?
I think it is. Don't go in the fast water. Oh no. Oh, horrible netting job, but I got him. Holy crap. That's one of the prettiest cutties I've ever seen. He has like a rainbow stripe going down. Look at that pale, and look at that stripe.
Oh yeah, dude.
That is beautiful. Yes.
That was worth it, bro.
Yeah, that hike was worth it. And braving the river twice was worth it. Oh, that is awesome. He was just under one of those branches. He shot out from under the branch to get it. Yes. Oh, that's awesome. Gotta get a picture of you, buddy. Easy, bud, easy. Oh, oh, I got one good picture.
You slipped out of your hands?
Yeah.
I got it on camera.
Oh yeah, I got a good picture, so we're good. That's what happens when you don't squeeze them. Got one. What are you? Looks like a little brookie. Little brookie. Yeah. I had to get it really far in there, but he took it immediately. That is awesome. I'm gonna go back and take a picture of this guy. Pretty little brookie. Thanks, buddy. It's one cutty and one brookie today. Pretty cool. Skiddy caught one right now. There's a few over there for sure. Better catch some fish now. Nice. They're still in there. I'll take a few little brookies.
Yeah, right? You want to take it?
Yeah, I'll take a shot. Dang. Whoop. I'm gonna let you try again.
Sure.
I'm wondering if they want, if my big fly's spooking them or something. Nice. Yeah.
What is it? They're probably all brookies here.
Yeah, they might be. He's cruising.
I know, he's swimming right to the left of me. Get back here. Get back here.
Nice. Looks like a brookie again.
Yep.
Sweet.
Hey, I'll take it.
Heck yeah, for sure.
El Chupacabra. Thank you.
Can I try it?
Yeah, absolutely. It is not casting this very well, so
Okay.
I encourage bow and arrow casting.
Or roll casting or something?
Oh yeah, I did a lot of roll casting.
Yeah! There we go. I knew it just needed the skiddy touch.
I'm pretty sure there's more than one right there.
Okay, we'll hopefully get some more out of it. Sweet. Oh, the wind's blowing it now. There we go. Got one.
Nice.
Just another little brookie.
Good one.
Yeah. He's super pale. That's weird. Wonder why. Could be, yeah. Not getting enough tan on his skin. Oh, right in the corner of the mouth. That was a good hook. There he is. Wow, he's fat. He's eating a lot.
Yeah, he's healthy.
He's
That's
thick.
for sure.
Thanks, buddy.
I noticed immediately that was a bigger one.
Yeah. Oh, sweet. Came out of almost the exact same spot you hooked yours. Skiddy's moving down. There's some more soft pockets down there. I'm just gonna fish this a few more times. See if there's anything else in there. Oh. Saw it disappear, but that might have just been behind a rock or something. Got one. What is he? I got a bow. A rainbow. Yeah. Definitely looks like a stalker. Thanks, buddy. Oh, maybe not. Maybe you're just fat. Oh yeah, well, I don't know. All the fins look pretty good. I'll take a picture of you, bud. That's cool. Alright, let's let this guy go. Wow, look at that though. I don't know if it's a stalker. All of his fins are intact. And look at how many spots all over. Beautiful. Thanks, buddy. See ya. Awesome. Everyone, so we're here at our second river. I guess it's the same river technically, but a different fork of it up higher. And we're on the Utah side. So we're here to, like I said, there was 2 goals, which we completed one already, which was catch the Colorado River Cutthroat in Wyoming for the Wyoming Cutthroat Slam, which we've done, both of us, which was awesome. Our first fish caught out of the river down lower was cutthroats, so it was Colorado River cutties, so that's awesome. This second creek, that's what we're here for, is to catch Colorado River cutties, but on the Utah side for the Utah Slam. So let's see if we can do it. Get the skunk off and then it won't be so bad. Just gotta get one. I'm gonna fish this down here for a little bit. Oh, I got one. It's a little brookie. Actually, decent sized brookie. Yeah, it is. Nice. Right off that cruise. Yeah. It was right on the seam of the fast water and slow water right there. Nice.
I cast twice there. First cast.
No, it was my second. Okay. Nice. Whoa, he has a lot of pretty colors. I might have to get a picture of this guy. All right, we are on the Utah side of this river now, trying to catch Colorado River Cutthroat for the Utah Cutthroat Slam now. And this is my first brookie up here, so I'm gonna get a picture of him. All right, let's let you go, buddy. Give you guys one last look at him. If he'll let me hold him. There we go. Wow, that is pretty. Look at that guy. Thanks, bud. Oh, another rumble in the background. Oh, another one took it. Got one. Dude, it's a cutty. Skiddy. Hey, Skiddy. Got a cutty! Wow, look at those colors. Classic Colorado River cutty, man. 13, maybe 14 inches. Oh man, that rain is coming, I think. Alright, let's give you guys a 2-hand shot of this before we let him go. He is a beautiful fish. Whoa, easy buddy, easy. You may just jump out of the net. Holy cow. There he goes. Let's see if he'll let me hold him. You guys see the cut on the bottom? Look how bright red that is. That is a pretty fish. Thanks, buddy. You're good, you can go. You're just gonna hang out with me here for a minute. Oh. Awesome, that was cool. Is it a cutty? Ah, too bad. At least you got one. I gotta show you a picture of that. He's a good 14-incher and beautiful.
The cutthroat?
Yeah. Did I get a decent picture of him? No? Oh, I did. There we go.
Oh, dude. The cheeks on that.
Yeah.
That's sick.
And then if you look on, I got a picture of his jaw. Look how bright red that is.
Oh, yeah. Heck yeah.
Awesome.
No misidentifying that.
Nope.
So Kyle and I are taking refuge under the trees right now because we've got a nice big storm just about to pass us right now.
Yeah, we're at the front end of it. It'll get worse. Well, storm's passed, so we sat down and had some lunch, and now we're back fishing. If we can get anything out of here. Got one. Oh my gosh, he's tiny. That's probably him. Yeah, he was barely hooked. It was maybe like 6 or 7 feet below the stump. That was so cool. Saw him chase that big time. Hey, it's a decent sized brookie. Look at that. Nice. Did that on the swing. I got him. That was interesting. Oh, hooks out. Let's give you guys a two-hand look at that. Nice. It's a pretty fish. What's up, buddy? Dang. All right, I want you to cast the warbird in there. I want to see if there's a difference. No freaking way. Dude, the warbird is on today. I only got 2 of them, so don't lose this fly.
The pressure's on now.
Nice. I did like 50 casts into there. That's hilarious. All right, I'm switching. All right. Well, if you haven't noticed, I switched over to my DragonTail Hydra. Caught quite a few with the Western rod, so figured I'd give it a try. See how it goes. Got one. Oh. Nice, just a little brookie. Hooks out already. You guys are like, wow, so orange. Awesome, thanks bud, see ya. And the wind is picking up quite a bit here. Hopefully it doesn't stay too long. Oh man, it's blowing my line all over the place though. Got one! It's a little cutty. Yeah. Yeah. I'll give you guys a look at them and then let them go. Man, they are pretty. You guys see that? Awesome fish. Whoa, whoa, there he goes. See you, bud. Dude, oh, it just got me all tangled. Freaking wind. Oh, hand untangled. All right. Oh, another one. Oh, and he's off. Quick release. Ooh, there might be a few more in here. There we go. Oh, that's a big one. A good brookie. Might have to hand line this one. I'm too high. There we go. And flies out. Nice. Wow, he's a football. Look at that guy. So you guys can't see him when he's in the net like that, but there we go. All right, let's give you a quick look. Did you get one? Oh, dang. Man, it's picking up now. It's awesome. Holy cow, he's still got a lot of fight in him. Wow, look at those colors. Beautiful. Thanks, buddy. See ya. Oh, that's a good size one. Where's Skiddy going? Bring him into this soft pool. You got him, yeah.
I don't know how I haven't lost him yet.
I thought for sure you would. That's awesome. Nice.
Yes.
That's a good one. Whoa!
That scared me.
I think that's the smallest of the day. Oh my gosh, it's a cutty.
It looked like a cutty.
Oh, he's a fingerling. He's so small. I guess a little bigger than a fingerling, but.
I've got a brook trout that's basically a fry.
5 inches. Yeah, that's the smallest one of the day. Right in the nose. Wow, he is pretty though. Look at that.
Almost looks like a rainbow when they're juvenile like that.
Yeah, he's pretty. He's out, bud. Go get bigger. Oh, that's a better one. Nice. Little brookie. Yeah.
It's like such a satisfying sound.
It is. Because most of the time it doesn't stop and make that sound. Oh no. Okay, he's good. He was just resting. He was laying on his side right there. He was playing possum. Back up for this one. The wind blowing, jeez. There we go. Oh, he's a big one. A big brookie under there. You called that one. Yeah, he's 10, but he's football shaped again. Yeah, I gotta get a picture of this guy. He's pretty. Jeez, he didn't like me doing that. Oh no! Oh, he got away. There he goes. Oh, he got one in the net. That's all right. Dang. Oh, something there. There we go, a little tiny one. Oh, it's a cutty. Yeah. Look at that. Holy cow, these little guys are so pretty. Easy, bud. Let me just show you off real quick. Oh, oh, jeez. Wow, that is so pretty. Peace out, bud. We'll get bigger. Well, I'm not sure what these birds are. You guys tell me. Oh, they flew off. Oh, crazy sound too. I don't know what they are. You guys tell me. Crazy. Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching to the end of my episode. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Hey, and if you know what those birds were, let me know. I have no idea what those were. We've been pondering. I don't know, some kind of crane or something. Yeah, let us know. But today was epic. We caught. We met our goal, which was awesome. Yep. So we caught Colorado River Cutthroat in Wyoming and Utah today. So that's 2 checked off of those.
Yeah.
We caught maybe 50 brookies between the 2 of us. I western fly fished with a 7-foot 3 weight and used my DragonTail Hydra for half of it. So, I mean, it was awesome catching it on both. And everyone go watch Skiddy's version of this video because he's puts way more time and effort into it than I do.
I don't know about that. I mean, I'm here because of him. He literally drove me out here, so
I'm so glad we made it work. It was awesome.
He's the real hero. You're the MVP.
All right, everyone, go follow Skiddy. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. We'll catch you on the next one.
Tight lines.